One day, my Facebook friend requested me to draw a cartoon portrait. Today I will share with you my good experience to make this simple drawing. My previous video on cartoon portrait made him interested, so you may watch later by clicking a link given below the description. At first I have completed the outline. Let's make it detailing with black. Excuse me if I got some mistake. I hope you enjoy this video. The next video is going to be more colorful and more interesting. You may subscribe the channel to get notification.